Charles Griffin from Maline, Alabama. This is a frame of my bird points, which they were, some of these were used up to historic time. Most of them was used through the Mississippian period, but some of them, like this little Fort Ancient, would be used right up to the, even after they made white contact and were doing some trading, they were still making some flint. That's just mixed points I found on the river. There's no really category or one type in there, they just mixed.
How many arrowheads do you think you have?
Oh, with the ones I'm not displaying, probably 5,000.